the financial benefit let me focus on healing and recovery and not having to worry about losing my home, kids being kicked out of college while I go out and get the care that I needed. Every adult needs to have a life insurance policy.
A good life
insurance. And just not any policy. One with all the riders that we were able to
The
take.
importance of having life insurance with living benefits. And I'd like to share this video with you of a gentleman named Eric out of Bethesda, Maryland, and how out of the blue his body began to break down, and how luckily he had the benefit of living benefits with his insurance policy that would allow him to get the things done that he needed done. So I'd like to share this story with you and talk with you a little bit about it.
I started losing movement in my hands and legs. I went from a cane to a walker to a wheelchair. We did not know what it was. I was assured that I may have at best 2 to 3 years. You know, for most American families, as they go through a health episode, at times it's not just the health, it's everything else as well that comes with it. And we were basically fighting different battles on about 3 different fronts. My faith, our faith, is central to everything that we do. If through faith we could make it through this, I knew that there was a larger meaning, a larger purpose. The financial benefit let me focus on healing and recovery and not having to worry about losing my home, kids being kicked out of college while I go out and get the care that I needed. Every adult needs to have a life insurance policy.
A good life
insurance. And just not any policy. One with all the riders that we were able to take.
Because Eric just mentioned something called a rider. A rider is something that is included in your life insurance policy that allows you to access a portion of the death benefit. Once again, it depends on the severity of the illness that you have, on what percentage you would receive. So you would access a portion of the death benefit in a monetary disbursement so that you can keep the lights on, keep the mortgage paid, keep your children in private school, things like that. The rider that Eric was mentioning that he was able to benefit from was the critical illness rider, and there are many other riders, but I just want to stop there and just let you know what a rider is. Let's go back and listen to the rest of Eric's story.
The odds were against me in terms of being able to actually rebound from this, and I just needed to know that the family would be okay. So where am I now? I do a lot of physical training, and I'm getting stronger and stronger every day. I happen to serve as the executive director of a health association. We're celebrating recovery, but I will say this has been a tremendous journey of faith for us. There's such power in love. I believe that us really going through this type of event has brought us closer together. I would not trade it for anything in the world.